Diet Coke. I'm taking over this channel. Thank you. Have a good day. I'm taking over this channel because it's my channel. I just had a big dream of doing vlogs and videos, and then my wife just kind of took it away from me.
You don't know. You're not very good at this.
We know we have fans all over the country, all over the world.
Got one sleepy boy and one sleepy girl and another sleepy boy. Look!
Sun on my shoulders, sand on my feet. Old guitar laughing with the backbeat. Wind in the palm trees, whispering slow. Something in the rhythm says,
It's a tan, this part of my body.
Ew, put those down. Put
just the stars and the firelight.
What is Daddy doing?
He's making sure everyone thinks they can come.
Yuck.
You have a shirt on. I like your pretty hair.
Thank you. Should we go swimming?
I don't need sunscreen.
Yeah.
Barefoot in the rhythm, life in the air, spinning like the world without a care. Every little heartbeat says
Ellie.
it's right.
Bad boy.
Bad boys for life.
I love how we got no video.
Farted. I already farted.
We got no video of us having fun, but it was fun.
Oh, damn.
It's hard to come by. Oh, wait, we gotta start over. I made it back home in case you were wondering. And I got burnt. We weren't there for very long. I was like, I won't eat it. I did eat it. I'm so tired. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your weekend. Ellie, you wanna say bye?
Bye, little clip stop.
What? See you guys next time.